friends. I'm going to be doing a flip cup today on this 10 by 10 inch canvas. I'm preparing for a big featured artist show at the Cypress Gallery here, which I do yearly. And I have several embellished pieces, painted pieces, but I don't have a lot of just pours. So my focus for the next couple of weeks are going to be just to do some small pours that I don't embellish. So I have, you know, all different price points in my show. So today I'm doing a flip cup. My colors are all Artist Loft: black, old gold, aqua green, ultramarine blue, and cobalt blue. I'll provide the pouring medium I use down in the description box. I have added 2 drops of silicone to the black, the aqua, and the ultramarine, not to the metallics. Not that I couldn't have, but I just decided not to. I think that's plenty of silicone for this little canvas. So let's get to it. It is on the thick side. I hope not too thick, but I like this cells to be able to hold a nice shape, and for that to happen, the paint has to be a little thick. Okay, you can see I'm pouring on a used canvas one I hosed off. I hope I have better success this time. You just never know. Fluid art is so unpredictable. Okay. That's weird the way that came out. I'm gonna scrape out the cup on the corners here to make it a little easier for the puddle to move around. It's amazing how much paint is left in the cup after you've poured it out. There's always a good amount left, especially, I guess, when it's thick like this. Okay. Well, it sure doesn't look like much now. Let's hope for something pretty as torch and tilt. Plenty of cells. Okay, near the edges and then going over. That's cool. Wasn't sure about this color combo, but I think it's working out. The Artist Loft Old Gold never looks good when it's wet, I think, but as it dries, it's quite beautiful. It's not what I anticipated, but I don't hate it. I think I want to get rid of this corner here. Bring this dark over. This is very pretty in here. Okay, so if I get the weight of the paint back, find out where it is. I see it's moving toward the center, so over and down. I'm going to get rid of that one section without losing what I do like. Something's moving faster than the rest. I think the aqua green was still a little thin. But I don't hate this. I really like this area. Isn't that funny? It's almost looks like phthalo green, but I didn't have any. It must have been the black and the cobalt, perhaps. I like it. I'm happy with it. I like it the way I turned it towards you like this now. It's got a decent variety of values, light and dark. That's very pretty there. Let me bring you in to look at that. Look at it closer, especially down there. And like I said, that gold will be very pretty when it's dry. The cells are a little wonky. But overall, I'm pleased. I think it'll be a pretty piece. All dried and with a shiny varnish on it. Okay, well that's it for today, my friends. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.